How to scan QR codes with Android phones without an app. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to Google Chrome and search QR code scanner. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on the first link that pops up. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Scan Now. Then you'll find this options. Add your picture by clicking on Media Picker. After that, it will scan your image and give you your result. You can simply copy the result and search it in Google. Paste. And as you can see, and that's how you scan QR codes with Android phones without an app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.